Hey folks, here's my quick demo for the hackathon project that I've got going. It's called DocPrint. It's a tool to help quickly generate PDFs to your specific template and layout from your Airtable data. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like. So I have my Airtable set up, which looks something like this. It's a demo for the some receipts that's being managed for a clinic. And as you can see, we have a lot of we have rows and several different columns storing different information about the receipts. Now, the client often comes in asking specific customizations and tweaks for their print requirements based on the Airtable data. So they can jump into a tool, it works over OAuth. So we'll jump in quickly, connect our Airtable setup with this tool, give it access to the base. And once we have that going, then it's gonna link up the base that we want. So we can link a one or whichever base that we want. So it makes a call to fetch the bases that it has access to, and then allows you to link one of them. Once we have our base linked, let's jump into our view of seeing how we might customize the layout. So we look at our base and we'll pick the receipts table from there, and it shows the list of fields that's available on this base. It makes call over REST API, and after it has successfully completed the OAuth authentication, and you can see that the fields are gonna line up. So all the information that we have on the Airtable side, we have a corresponding thing on this side. And basically we use this to fill in and populate places as we need into our template. So based on our page, uh, we can fill in the blocks and place elements as we need. And the blue elements are the dynamic elements. So things which is fetched from a table record. And basically it's going to create one sheet or one page for each record that we saw on the Airtable side. Let's quickly get some of them in. So basic information like amount paid on receipt number, things like that, which you often need. But different clients may have different layouts or specific customizations about how they want their receipts to look like. I'll just quickly fill up some fields over here. Now, beyond the dynamic elements, oftentimes they come in asking for custom branding and theming for the prints that they generate. So we can have these elements placed at certain locations. This is something that's still work in progress. Eventually, they would be able to upload their own logo and custom theming, branding. Right now, it's just a placeholder. And similarly, it works for text blocks and even graphic elements like rectangle. Now, this is a growing list. Okay, I think that's good for now. Let's just put all of this over here. And once we have this going, we can even modify the size that we want for our sheets. So these are gonna end up being the correct size of the corresponding correct size based on our preferences over here. So I know this is kind of a solved problem. However, oftentimes we run in, like I've run into cases where clients had very specific requirements, and it would often be easier to let them have the take a shot at the design themselves and then go about assisting them. So this makes the whole conversation much easier. Once we have a setup going, we'll click go. That's going to generate one PDF or like one output for each record in the in our table, and it's going to attach it to the same record in a new column. Okay, I think those things are still work in progress as I did my video quickly. But that concludes my video demonstration, and you can jump into this link and give it a shot if you would like. Thank you.